Hey guys, last warm up of the week. This is warm up number 24. The answer is going to be coming to you Saturday morning, which I'm sure all of you guys wake up bright and early, super excited to check those out. I'm sure none of you guys are checking those out. Uh, the other thing that I want to end up pointing out to you is hopefully you were able to get done with Section 9, Test Yourself, because that's going to end up being an assessment grade. It's going to be important. I have been curving it. Along with that, I did make a playlist. And pretty much the only reason why I did the playlist was so you guys could go back and look at these answers. Once again, all of these problems I just take from the Test Yourself. And this time round, you had a lot more problems in section 9 because last week we did 5 of them and this week we did 5 of them. So I did 10 different problems from the Test Yourself. Let's go ahead. Let's look at this one. This one was really easy. Hopefully all of you guys get one like this on the Test Yourself assessment. There are 25 students in Miss Smith's class. On the Test Yourself assessment, it's some crazy name. It's not Miss Smith's. I know I couldn't pronounce it. Miss Smith's class at the beginning of the school year, and the average number of siblings for each student is 3. A new student with 8 siblings joins the class in November. The average number of siblings that each student yep, that's supposed to be is it going to be smaller than the original average, larger than the original average, or the same? Well, if they show up and they have 8 siblings, the average is definitely going to go up. So it is larger than the original average. All right, I hope you guys have a good weekend. Hopefully you guys are getting out and being safe. I don't know really what you're allowed to do. Apparently the beaches are opening back up on Monday, which I know some of you guys are all about the beach. Just make sure you're being safe because even though they are open, doesn't mean that the virus still isn't around. Be safe, guys. Take care of yourselves, and I will talk to you guys later.